Hi, my name's Patricia, and I'm going to show you how to fold a paper strip into a small heart. What you'll need for this is scissors, a pencil or a pen, and a paper strip. And what you do is you take your paper strip and you fold it. At the very end of it, you turn it in and you fold it into kind of a triangle fold. See the triangle fold? What I did was I folded the corner and matched it up with one of the sides, and you have a triangle at the end, and then you take it and you fold it straight ahead so that you keep that triangle there, and by the second fold you have kind of a square end, and then you fold it again. The third fold you have another pointed end. You try to get these folds as perfect as possible, if you will. Try not to, try to keep that point if you can. It's not always the easiest. I recommend a thinner piece of paper. But you keep folding down the strip. Just fold and fold. It gets easier as you go along. See here how I'm folding? All right, and then by the time you reach the end, what you're gonna do is, let's see here. You're gonna have to look at it. Right here, there's going to be a little pocket in the heart. And you're going to take this end, you're going to cut one of the corners off so that it has like kind of a point here. And you're just going to slide it right into that little pocket so it finishes off, and you'll have what looks like a little teeny triangle. Now you take this triangle and you see which side you like better. This is fine. You take your pencil here, you put it in between the two longest points, and you press down and use those muscles. Sometimes you have to get a little muscle. Use a little muscle when you're doing crafts. Here, you can see I'm just pushing down the middle, and I know you're thinking that does not look like a heart. Well, this is where the scissors come in. You cut these points off and you round them off, and you make it look like a heart. Now, I did push the center in. You just want to round those edges off, get those corners out of there. You can see I have the beginnings of a heart. Sometimes it's easier if you use a shorter strip. My strip is a little long. And I'm just going to push down here. Let's see, let's finagle it. You know what? If you need to, you can put the pencil point inside of the heart and kind of, push the two sides out. And then you can push it down again, and you should get the heart. All right, so see here? Here is a little teeny heart. The wider the strip you use, the larger the heart will be. Keep that in mind. But here's your little heart out of a strip. Enjoy.